My name is Ian. I'm the author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to manage storage on your Google account if you've just gotten a warning that you're running out of storage. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. So usually in Gmail, you'll get a warning that you're running out of storage space and you need to either buy more or do something about that. Here's how I handle it. Go to Google Drive. You can use your Gmail credentials for that. And then on the left side of the page, you'll see a warning like this. It says storage 87% full. So I have 15 gigabytes on this particular account, and I'm using 13.2. So I'm going to click on storage, and then what it does is it shows in reverse chronological order the biggest files that I have in there, and some of them are really huge. Like this one is nearly a quarter of a gigabyte. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and delete some of them. I'm going to take the biggest ones first. So this one, SF11 10th Reunion Slideshow. It's a couple years old. I'm never going to use that again. So I selected it, and I'm going to click delete or remove. Now, it says here, file removed to trash. Just be aware that it is for the first 30 days, it'll still be there and you can undo it. I could just click undo like it showed, or I could go to the trash and it will be in there and I can restore it if I want to. After 30 days, it will be gone for good. And the good thing about that is this will start to lower the amount of storage that I've used up and make more room for other stuff. So I'm going to go through and start to delete all these things because some of them are too big, and hopefully that will make a dent in the huge number of files that I currently have in my Google account. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it or follow me. And then also, if you go to in30minutes.com, you can learn more about the book I've written, as well as the cheat sheets that I have for Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, slides, forms, and many other topics. Thank you so much for watching.